Yeah, I like it. I like it like that too. Yeah.
Savannah, you gonna play with Logan?
I like that.
You gonna give him kisses? You gonna give him kisses? That's so sweet, Savannah.
Cool. Yeah.
Look at the bird. Look at Logan's bird.
I mean, I think I like both, but I really like the inside, the flowers and stuff.
Yeah.
You hold Logan's hand.
We both of them as like a 4x6.
You hold Logan's hand.
Whatever side you want.
Oh, you mean that one? Okay, so this one would like be black
this
and
one's
white.
black and white.
Okay, and then that one. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Uh-oh, we're locked in here.
Careful, baby. Be gentle. Be sweet.
You gonna hold his hand?
Yeah, I already saw that.
Don't like it.
No. My face was better.
Yeah, your eyes weren't.
What, Savannah?
I like it. I just
I like
graduation.
ears.
His ears, yeah. Where's his nose?
I think that's just a little too
There's his nose.
That one's.
My feet.
Think my body
Right
is
there.
funny.
Let me see. There's your foot.
And that was the one that was.
Let me see. There's your foot. You gonna dance?
Yeah.
You gonna stand up and dance?
That's a good.
You gonna go boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom boom,
Right.
chicka boom boom,
No, I
chicka boom
understand. Yeah, I
boom,
felt.
chicka
That's
boom
what I was
boom.
gonna say. It just makes me look a lot distorted. I don't know.
Careful. Don't step on your cousin.
Savannah, who's that?
That's the line of the day.
Who's that?
Don't step on your cousin. No.
Oh.
If there's more color in this one, this would look cool with black and white with the rose color.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. I do.
I like how she always says the shirt. Yeah.
Savannah, be careful. Don't step on Logan. I'll make you pay the medical bill.
Mommy. Mommy.
Be careful. Don't step on Logan. Please be
Step
careful.
on your cousin.
He's talking, Savannah. You hear him talking?
Are you inside?
What?
We'll get inside.
He's inside. Yes, ma'am.